I'm Dr. Bruce Campbell, here to deliver your Men's Health Pitch. Are you getting enough Z's? According to the National Sleep Foundation, you should be getting between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night. Now, there's a lot of workaholics out there who think sleep is for wimps. But research shows that chronic sleep deprivation can increase your risk of overall mortality, heart disease, diabetes, obesity, a weakened immune system, anxiety and depression, poor decision-making and problem-solving, and motor vehicle fatality. In fact, studies show that driving after 2 consecutive weeks of 6 or less hours of sleep per night is equivalent to driving drunk. So how do you know if you're sleep deprived? Here are some signs. You fall asleep within 5 minutes of going to bed at night. You need an alarm clock to wake you up. You make a habit of hitting the snooze button. You nod off during meetings. If that sounds familiar, you're probably sleep deprived. So make sleep a priority. Your health, wellness, and performance depend on it. I'm Dr. Bruce Campbell with your Men's Health Pitch.